What's up, YouTube? Jeremy Martin 72 here, and I'm going to be unboxing the Insignia 19 LED TV at 720p. Insignia is the brand that Amazon uses a lot for their signature stuff. I do not believe this is Ultra 4K either. And we got usual packaging information. 720p at 60 hertz for refresh rate on the screen. So we got this. We're going to be running a PlayStation through it. PlayStation 4. Right there's your features. 720 resolution, 60 hertz panel refresh rate, two HDMI ports, composite port, digital coax port, antenna cable, warranty, and the panel itself. There's all your ports. We're getting ready to take this thing out though. Product specs, 18.5-inch screen. Net weight, 3 pounds with stand. 3.5 pounds. Remote control and batteries included. Hell yeah. Alright. Go ahead and open that up. Got my son with me here. He's going to unbox for me. It looks like a box inside of a box there for a second. Oh, that was just packaging, huh? Alright, we got a remote control. Very lightweight remote control. Very basic. We have your typical feet. These are very popular feet nowadays. Just screw them right into the bottom of them. One on one side, one on the other. Pull that back out the way. All right. Classic remote control. Infrared blaster on the end of it. Child safety information. Yeah, this makes sense because they don't want it to tip over and bust one of your kids in the head because of bad placement. And it's definitely got a industrial smell to it when you start unwrapping it. Very strong, like, plastic smell going on. Here, go ahead and slide that thing around here like that. There you go. All right, so there's your imports in the bottom. On the back, you got your antenna cable. You got digital coax out, audio out, video, your RCA jacks, your usual AV, HDMI. And we did get this at Best Buy. And you can mount this on the wall, so it's got wall mount screws on it, or anchors, or whatever you wish to call them. And two HDMIs and one USB port. So for those of you who have a Chromecast, you got your power and your HDMI right there. There is no power brick on the plug itself, so the transformer is inside of the system. Vents are, I'm not too impressed with the vents, but this is where you put the legs on. But the vents themselves, I'm not too impressed with them. All right. Not bad at all. And I think that's where the infrared blaster goes. Yeah, that's where the infrared blaster goes. All right, let's look at the top of it. If you can hold it for me. There you go. Yeah, like I said, I'm not too impressed with the venting on this. I mean, there's plenty of venting, but it does not look very sturdy. But otherwise, we paid 60 bucks. And there you have it, my brothers and sisters. Let's set that down one more time for the outro. Oh, he's gonna screw the legs on. Actually, they look like you just plug them right on in. There you go. All right, my brothers and sisters. Be safe, be security aware, and Google on.